Okay, welcome to today's Show Me. It's Chapter 2, Lesson 1. It's Variables and Expressions. The first two things you need to know for this lesson is the two words variable and constant. A variable is the thing in your algebra problem that can change, and it's represented by a letter. Usually we represent it with X or N or any other letter works. You see X a lot and N a lot. And a constant is the thing that does not change. For example, if you have 7 times X, it's represented as 7X. X is the variable and 7 is the constant. So whatever X is, that's the variable, and 7 is going to stay the same. So whatever X is, we're going to multiply it by the constant, which is 7. So the variable is the letter, and the constant is what we're going to do to that letter. And then the other thing you need to know is algebraic expression. Oh, I'm still recording. Expression. So, the next thing you need to know is algebraic expression. Oh, I'm doing a Show Me right now, but make sure you say hi.
Hi.
That's Vanessa. She was in class 2 years ago. You need to know who said hi to me during the Show Me to show me that you watched the video tonight. Okay, an algebraic expression contains one or more variables and usually contains operation symbols. For example, x plus 4 is an algebraic expression, or b times 7. And by the way, 7 times b is the same as 7b. If there is a number right next to a letter, that means you're multiplying. See you later, Jake. Okay, you also have to tell me who I said see you later to on the video. So that's the vocabulary you need for today. So let's look at a couple examples and decide whether they're algebraic expressions or not. 150 times y. That would be an algebraic expression since it has a variable and it has operation symbol. How about 85 divided by 5? That is not, because there's a definite answer to that. There's no variable. How about 40y? That would be you taking 40 times y. So we're going to get some math problems that look like this. It's going to have on one side, it's going to have the variable. What is the variable? And then on the other side, it's going to have what you do to the variable. And so this side is going to be your answer. So for example, if we had 10, 9, 8 down here, so what we do is we plug in 10 for z. So it says z, we're taking z minus 5, so we would do 10 minus 5. So our answer right here would be 5. On this one, we're doing 9. We're plugging in 9 for z. So we plug in that 9 right there for z. So it would be 9 minus 5, so our answer would be 4. On this one, we're plugging in 8, so it would be 8 minus 5. So our answer would be 3. If we did another one, it was 7. We would do 7 minus 5, so we get 2. So here's another example that's just like what you'll see in your homework. If you have x as the variable, and what it says to do is x squared. So if 1, then you plug it in there. If 1 is x, so we do 1 squared, the answer is 1. If 2 is x, then we plug in 2. 2 squared, so it would be 2 times 2, so it would be 4. 3, we plug in 3. 3 squared, and that would be 9. What if we put in 7 there? Pause and solve. So we would do 7 squared, and that would be 7 times 7, not 14. It would be 7 times 7, it would be 49. So 49 would go in there. So what you're going to have to do on your homework is fill out ones just like this, where you solve the problem. you put in 1 for x, then you put in 2 for x, put in 3 for x. So I'm going to have you do another one, and then you're going to fill it out. Okay, so this is your problem. It is b. I'm going to give you values for b, and I want you, on this side, to use b minus 2 to figure out what's on this side. So, I'm going to give you the first one, and then I want you to solve the rest. So, b is 20, so we're going to plug in 20. 20 divided by 2, that would be 10. I want you to pause and solve the rest. So the next one would be, we'd plug in 16, it'd be 16 divided by 2, so it'd be 8. Then we plug in 14 divided by 2, and it'd be 7. And then the last one would be 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So this is going to be the last problem of the day, and this is how it can be used in real life. If each taco, of course I'm going to do tacos, because that's what I'm going to go eat in just a minute. If each taco at Taqueria El Rey is $2, how much would it cost me if I wanted to buy 6 tacos? How much would it cost me if I wanted to buy 7 tacos? And how much would it cost me if I wanted to buy 8 tacos? So what you're going to do here is you can put that into a chart. And so I'm going to do T. So T is tacos. So I want 6 tacos, I want 7 tacos, or I want 8 tacos. I want to know how much money. So what would my formula be here to figure out how much money each taco costs? So what it would be $2 times T. So it would be 2T. So I want you to figure out, this is a problem that you need to do for me for Tuesday or for tomorrow. I want you to solve for 6 tacos, 7 tacos, or 8 tacos. That's your assignment. And I will see you tomorrow or Tuesday.